I wish all teenagers can filter through songs instead of turning to drugs and alcohol. My absolute favorite meal in Nashville is sweet potato pancakes at Pancake Pantry. Music is my shining light, my favorite thing in the world. To get me to stop doing it for 1 second would be difficult. No matter what love throws at you, you have to believe in it. I write songs that are like diary entries. I have to do it in order to feel sane. People don't usually compliment your character. I'm like 6'2" when I wear heels, so I tend to wear cowboy boots a lot. I think every girl's dream is to find a bad boy at the right time, when he wants to not be bad anymore. When I'm in my 50s, I kind of think I'll want to be in a garden. I'm not really that girl who dreams about her wedding day. I became a people watcher when I lost all my friends when I was 12. All of my favorite people I really trust, none of them were cool in their younger years. Love story, I wrote on my bedroom floor in about 20 minutes. I think that as you grow up, as you get older, we can't get bitter, we can't get jaded. I get nervous for everything, literally everything. I've been singing Shakira songs in front of my bathroom mirror into my hairbrush forever. It's like a daily routine. I was from a small town and nobody really expects you to leave, especially before you graduate. That doesn't happen. I'm not the girl who always has a boyfriend. I'm the girl who rarely has a boyfriend. I had the most magical childhood, running free and going anywhere I wanted to in my head. I love making buckwheat crepes with ham, Parmesan cheese, and a fried egg on top. It's my go-to breakfast. Every single one of us has a few months here or there that feel like dark months. I was never a boy magnet at school. There was always the girl all the guys liked and wanted to date, but it was never me. I've been my mom's kitchen helper since I was a little kid. I can imagine it's hard to make a relationship last. I wouldn't know. Taylor Swift. In fairy tales, the bad guy is very easy to spot. The bad guy is always wearing a black cape, so you always know who he is. It's true that I've never had a burning desire to rebel against my parents. I don't really know that much about love, it turns out. I don't think I'd ever make an album of just covers because I love writing my own music. I approach love differently now that I know it's hard for it to work out. A lot of the jewelry that I wear are fan gifts because they're so awesome and they give me great presents. I always have to be writing. When I was 8 years old, it mattered what my favorite singer said and wore and expressed opinions about. Faith Hill is a big role model. I love Carly Kloss. I want to bake cookies with her. I go to Walmart all the time. The one in my hometown of Hendersonville 10 is open 24 hours, so I go there a lot to buy DVDs and stuff like that. All of my songs are autobiographical. Nashville is my home, and the reason why I get to do what I love. I've always loved Def Leppard, ever since I was little. I love being a part of the country music community. I have a lot of friends who do what I do. Either they're actresses or singers or things like that. Katie Couric is one of my favorite people. I like the app where you can make your own memes. I make memes all the time and send them to my friends.